brainstorming
and focus group discussion.
and also questionnaire and survey. Without further ado, let's check it out.
Okay.
In this discussion, we will brainstorm about cashier application that we will develop. What do you think about the requirements?
I think the requirement is first is point of sale application. So the cashier will do every transaction, and the transaction will be recorded. Also, it all automatically decrease item stock. The first and second is stock or inventory management. So the warehouse can input every incoming item stock and know which item needs. And also the third is customer data. So member card can be made for customer and they may get some extra advantage. Also this will include customer database as well transactional history.
It's good for our application, but I have another idea, like maybe our application must have a feature like account feature like user account and sales reporting. Why we have to use user account? Because we have to control who is can access our application, like manager and maybe employees, like, and anyone using an individual account. And the sales reporting is really useful for our application because it can reporting all of the process in our business, so the manager can choose the best decision to our business wisely.
Okay, I think it's enough for the requirement, functional requirement. Let's discuss about non-functional requirement. What do you think about?
I think our system must be flexible and usable, and easy to use for everyone who use our application.
I will add some point that you must take some point that in data security because we must secure all the transactional story from our customer. Okay. Also, we also need basic hardware component. I think what we need is first is PC or tablet, barcode scanner, credit card reader, receipt printer, and also cash drawer. Okay, I think it's enough.
Yes, I agree with it.
Okay, I think that's enough for our futures and other requirements. Thank you for coming and
Okay, thank you.
Good morning, sir. I know that you have a lot of experience in developing cashier application. So I wanna ask about why we have to developing our application to you. What do you think about the future that we must implement in our application, in our cashier application?
I think the first and the most important is point of sales application. This where cashiers do their job and the transaction will automatically record it to the system. Next is stock management. Like if the warehouse receive the items, they will input it into the system, and if point of sales application detects some customer that buying the items, the stock will reduce it. Uh, Next is customer data, like member card for our customers that they can get some advantage like discounts or points. And the next is user accounts. So everyone will access our application, they must log in into our system. So this will increase security and control what each user can do and cannot do. I think the next is self-reporting, especially for higher level staff. Record details will be visualized in charts and tables in daily, weekly, monthly, or annual basis, so they can analyze the sales data. And the most important is cloud-based system. So the data will store in a cloud server, and it will prevents data loss.
Okay, sir. Thank you. I got your point about functional requirement. How about a non-functional requirement?
For non-functional requirements, I think the important is our visibility, usability, agility, and ease to use and data security.
Thank you, sir. That was very helpful,
Very helpful for our
company.
company.
Welcome.
Maybe we can meet next time to talk about this project.
Furthermore.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Jonathan, for your helping information. Good evening, sir.
Yes. Good evening.
Are you busy right now?
No, I'm not busy right now.
Can I ask for your help to fill my questionnaire about my project? My project is about developing a cashier application.
Okay. I will help you because I like all things about technology.
Okay, thank you so much. Can you fill at Intipin slash my application program project? Just take your time.
I'm done with this.
So fast.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your help.
Yes. You're welcome. So we can conclude that the techniques above are very effective when used in determining product scope and project scope.
This can be proven by existence of requirement documentation and traceability matrix documentation.
Thank you for your attention.
Bye.